FitLab PGH back with a movement tip lifestyle hack talking about moving outside in cold weather. You hear about people talking dressing in layers, but sometimes you don't know exactly what they mean. It's about 25 degrees out. I'm going to talk a little bit about my head layer and my hand layers. You've heard us talk about DeFeet gloves before. That's my first layer. I've got a set of AeroTech gloves. Shout out to Chris in the warehouse for suggesting them. On my head, always a helmet. Great cold weather gear, a SweatVac hat, and then because you've got a lot of blood flowing through your neck, and you want to keep your neck warm, I've got a wool gaiter. This is really good in windy conditions, down to about 17 or 18 degrees. So think wear layers, bring more than you think, because it's easier to take off than get cold. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.